So this is मजमू इश्तिहारात वॉल्यूम 2 पेज 376. मिर्जा सेज बहस करने वालों के लिए ये बेहतर तरीक होगा कि किसी के मजहब पे बेहुदा तौर पे एतराज ना करें. मिर्जा says that it will be appropriate for those who are debating that do not raise any absurd objection against anyone's religion, बल्कि इनकी मुसल्लम और मोतबर किताबों के रूह से अदब के साथ अपने शुबहात पेश करें. Rather, they should present, Mirza saying that the person who is debating, they should present their doubts from the books of other people and only from the authentic and accepted books of other people with respect. With respect. ठट्ठे और हंसी और तौहीन से बचें. He said don't make mockery or make fun or joke or being disrespectful. And then he says something very interesting. अपने मुबासात में हकीमाना तर्ज इख्तियार करें. He said be wise in the debate. And next thing is very important. ऐसे एतराज भी ना करें जो उनकी किताबों में पाए जाते हैं. He says that be respectful and wise to the extent that don't even quote those objections which are found in their books. Now, when Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was saying that 10 से करवा चुकी जिना अभी भी पाक दामन बेचारी है, everybody can say it is mockery. He was making a mockery.